Alright, let's get into it. Today we are unboxing a beast, the Samsung 55" QLED TV. Slim, smart and seriously stunning. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till we fire this thing up. First thing first, the box, big, bold. Samsung stamp right across it. Slide it open and you are instantly greeted with that fresh tech smell. You know that one. Smell like movie nights and next gen gaming section. Right on top, paperwork, the manual, quick start guide, warranty info, all the stuff that you will read but never will. And two metallic legs, solid, simple design, but they mean business. And now the main event. Carefully slide it out. Oh boy, look at that panel. This thing is massive, slim. The 55" feel even bigger in person. You can already see that QLED shimmer even before it's powered on. Wow. Let's flip in those legs gently. No need for screw. It's a simple click. No rocket science here. Just snapped and done. And now it stands tall, elegant and proud like a centerpiece. The remote, small, smooth and packed with smart features. Let's talk slim. This TV is razor thin. Like, is this even real? Kind of thin. It's almost shocking how much power and clarity it fits in something this slick. Alright, time to power it on. Samsung logo flickers in and we are live. First out, language, a few clicks and we are on English. Unless you wanna spice things up and go fully on Italian. Totally your call. Region next, quick selection, select your country, connect to Wi-Fi and boom, we are through. The home screen appears fast and fluid. Apps are already waiting. Netflix, YouTube, Disney+. It's like this TV knows exactly what you need. And then boom, the picture comes live. That QLED magic hits instantly. Deep blacks, vivid colors, details so crisp that punch you in the face in the best way. It's like watching reality, but better. Whether it's a movie, a game, or just a 4K fireplace, you are locked in. So what do you think? Samsung 55" QLED is not just a TV, it's an experience. Slim, smart, stunning. Unboxing it is just the beginning. Once it's on, you will never see screen the same way again. Thanks for watching, and if you're enjoying this, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech goodness. Catch you in the next one.